What every Social Security disability applicant must know about how Social Security is changing its rules for setting a hearing. Did you know that effective November 23, 2024, the Social Security Administration is changing its rules for how it sets hearing? And they're issuing new forms that may have to be filled out so that you can object to a hearing or request a hearing in a certain method. Now, there are 4 standard methods of appearance. The first is an agency video, formerly known as a VTC. Second is the online video, formerly known as MS Teams. Third is the audio, phone. And fourth is the in-person hearing. Now, Social Security is going to send you a notice of the way in which to attend a hearing. It's Form L 54. And after November 23, 2024, the agency video, online, and in-person hearings will be scheduled without an option to opt in, if you will. However, you have the right to object to an agency video hearing, an audio hearing, but we have to do that within 30 days of the notice of the hearing by using that Form HA 55. So how do we go about objecting to appearance by a video teleconferencing? Now, online video is not a default option, and you have to affirmatively opt in to an online video hearing by using Form HA 56. There is no right to object to an in-person hearing. It is what it is. So what does this all mean? Well, what it means is a lot more forms, and more forms that have to be filled out timely. Now, I'm not really wild about video because of the Social Security Administration's format and the equipment that they have used in the past. And quite frankly, a lot of my clients just aren't tech savvy. If you want to opt into video, we generally like to try to do a test of whatever your system is, or have you come to our office because obviously we've got the equipment that will work. So we want to make sure that whatever technology we're using, you know how to use or is working properly. Now, much to my surprise and delight, phone hearings have worked wonderfully well for our client. So most of them don't want to travel. They don't want to deal with the hassle of finding parking, waiting in the hearing office, going through security, much less appearing in front of a judge. However, I will tell you that there are some cases that are better presented in person. So after November 23, 2024, you should expect contact from us or from your lawyer when we get notice of the hearing. And we'll discuss with you, as your lawyer should, the way in which we think the appearance should be best handled for you. Now, if we have to object or opt in, we will send you, or your lawyer will send you, the appropriate forms, which you need to send back to us on a timely basis, because Social Security is not particularly forgiving, if you will, when it comes to changing the format of the hearing if you do so untimely. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, the 5-step sequential evaluation, the claims process, how a Social Security lawyer gets paid, whether you've got a good case or not, contact us today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We'll help you get the Social Security disability benefits you deserve, regardless of where you live in the United States.